Okay, let's get into this. So today, it's been a while. Unfortunately, when I was working on the World of Warcraft app, the classic APIs that Blizzard have went down, and it's been a couple months, and they haven't come back up. So I lost a lot of motivation to continue working on that. So in the meantime, I've just been working on my own stuff and starting up development for a couple projects. One unfortunately fell through, but I've decided that I want to sell a template, and that template will be a Shopify one. So I started last week. I have all of the designs. They're all done for the most part in desktop styles only at the moment. Well, they'll eventually be converted to mobile and tablet, but I have all potential pages, and what I plan to do now, after learning a bit of Shopify, is consolidate these pages and break down the components, or sections, I guess is what they're called on Shopify, and turn them essentially into like here I have them called the sections are about and highlights and connect. But I think what I want to do is just modularize everything and create only two pages, one called about and one called highlights, and allow for the addition of different content blocks, because some people might not have a full story because they just started this year. Maybe they don't have that many sales, so customer stories aren't exactly maybe they don't have very many, and this navigation, I feel I liked it when I was making it, but the more that I look at it, it's kind of clunky, so maybe just omit that altogether. What else? I've been dealing with health issues, incredible ear infections since close to the end of February. I have horrible tinnitus in my left ear at the moment, so that's really cool. But gonna try and power through it anyways. So yeah, that's about where I've been. Hopefully, I can get back to a more regular schedule, though. Regular for me, as in like twice a week. But anyways, I really wish I could pop out the chat on Streamlabs. I seriously don't understand why that's not an option. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing some Shopify stuff and then playing some Breath of the Wild. I think I'll start from a new save. I watch ZFG, whatever. Show my Canadian side, and he's playing it through a mod right now. That sort of changes the game up. So I'm interested in potentially downloading that for myself, trying that out. But yeah. So anyways, let me get into this. So primarily, I'm just going to be working on the product page. So for example, here's what I had for the product page. Pretty simple. Still need to add some extra content that can be expanded down here. Possibly having this fixed so that it scrolls with, or just adding a read more option that allows scrolling through this sort of section. It just kind of expands down like this and allows a scroll bar maybe. But I want to get this in right now because there's a couple things that I want to try. It took a little bit to get these images working. Just in general, kind of feeling really dizzy. So that's nice. Let me just pull this up. So that's what I have so far for the home page. Gonna remove this hover over nav at some point. Pretty basic stuff, just This is my first template for Shopify, so I don't really. It's gonna be pretty like minimalist at the moment, just because I'm not exactly well versed in what I can actually do with it. So at the moment, it's just a couple of sections. I'll add a few more for the homepage. Just a logo option in the nav. Here a section with heading, subheading, and the image. Shop will just take you to the all products page. Highlighted products, which is some muck data that I found on a tutorial. The ability to select from the list of products that you have. Again, another heading and subheading. Product list, same heading, same subheading structure, and then a scrolling list of selected products. But the intention is to add another block that is similar to this, but just tighter in height, and no shop now button, and then customer reviews, and then another potentially image or color picker selection section, with an icon spot and the same centered heading, subheading. But I don't really know how to work with customer reviews. Obviously, I'll probably have to create a customer and maybe not. I wouldn't. I don't really know. Maybe I can just have it so that like users can write out their own stuff. So, anyways, I actually need to download some images. So I was working with this product. You can see as another piece of media, I have just an end table from a different project. But red suede tuxedo. So I had black, red, and orange. Stock. Okay, this photo will be fine. Black one. And this will be fine. I don't even know what I'm looking for, but that's okay. And orange. It's not suede, sorry, it's silk, but whatever. It doesn't matter. Grab this one. Okay. So I want to move this. Add my new photos. I actually don't need orange because I only wanted 3 photos. How do I? Save. It didn't delete. There. Okay, so red, black, very sure, whatever. Just change the name. Great. It's admin featured. Okay. So you'll see how far I've actually made it when I pull up the. I go into. Oh right. So the product name. Yeah, so it'll be different. Okay. but the link is still the same for some. Product link is still the same. Okay. I don't know how I would change that. Shopify change URL. Of the page. Product page in the admin, product spark title, click on edit SEO. Ah, okay. Let's save. There it is. Okay. So yeah, so obviously it's not exactly the prettiest right now, but if I click on this photo, change. If I click back, it'll change. If I click on this photo, change. Okay. So, I just want to resize these because I can't see anything with them. So the idea is that product image, these need to be div together. That product image number, position relative, height 100 VH, width 50%, product 100%, display flex, and let's do product content width 50%. And it deleted all my work. I love it when it does that. Okay. There's the stuff up there, obviously kind of tough to see. Let's actually do this. Do height of 100 calc. At the height of my nav. Oh, and then I don't know why it shot all of this up to here. Right, then whatever. So it would be preview. No, this needs to be in a small image. Let's just gap them like that. Why does it keep deleting my... It keeps pushing it forward for some reason. Stop. don't understand. Or whatever. Okay, and then I want them to be super small. So there'll be preview width. Let's just do 94 pixels for right now. Height 60 pixels. Object fit cover. Object position center. Okay, obviously not the width I was hoping for. Don't think that that's a 94 pixels. Oh, because something is overriding product image. Do it like that instead. And make sure that's stuff here. Okay. So why did this get affected like this? Product has no, that's not it. Oh, yes it is. Let's see. This has product. Did it push it all forward again? Why is it doing this? Okay. There. Go back in here. Okay. So now I want product image. I can't use product image. It needs to be something. Yeah. Yes, it is in my. Oops. Product underscore image. I don't understand why this is there. Okay, it's really weird. So, oops, not here. Height 100%. See how that looks. Oops. And then I assume this is not going to look that great because it's going to push. Well, that looks fine. And then small images gets position say like 10 pixels, 50%, a red mind, classic. Okay. Maybe a bit, oops, I don't know why I just closed. Maybe a bit too small, and also this is not filling in properly. Oh, yes it is. It's because it's not, it needs to push it down. Why did I do this? I'm just gonna center the text content anyways. I closed Figma, that's why I closed. Yeah. I closed Figma again. Oh my lord. Okay, these may be a bit too small. Go a little bit bigger. Wider maybe. Push it up a little bit more. And then darken them. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And then hover brightness 1. And then I want to add a border to it. It's 2 pixels. It's this. It's this, but it's 26% opacity. So instead, I'll just copy the RGBA from Figma. And then box shadow as well. So I want okay. And when I hover, perfect. Maybe not 1, but something like 0.9. Okay, if it seems like the border is only, it might be applying to the other one. I think it's easier to see because it's against white. Yeah, so it was 90%. Okay. So anyway, so I just wanted to see how this would work. Yeah, okay, so it is kind of cutting it off a little bit. So if I remove on the preview image, remove this, then happens. It's not cutting it off. Actually centering it a little bit better, I think. I think it's the exact same. Yeah, it's like it's the exact same. Okay. So I want to add the ability to create bullets in this, but I still need to pull in stuff from the product. Let's see. I feel like this can probably be classified as an article. Hmm. Self-contained content for post, but not article. It's on a side. Figure. I guess main, maybe. Or it wouldn't be summary, because summary, yeah, does that details, effects, and then summaries. So maybe just main. Maybe it doesn't need main. Maybe I'm overthinking this and just wrap this in a div. Product. Heading. And then I want the price here. And then E class product disk product description. Okay. Let's see how this loads. Good. Can't tell if that formatted. Line self sent. There it all goes again, and there it pushes out. Classic. Why are you doing this? Stop. Don't get it. Whatever. Not formatting it. Okay. Interesting. Definitely doesn't cost $7,000. Shopify format product price. Person. These are for separate. This doesn't help. Right, I'll need to set it so that it works for sales. I'll try this. I know it's not going to work, but yeah, it's about what I expected. Association listing gets 0 or more name value. If available at compared price. Oh, it's not gonna work because don't have the product price in it. would guess that it's settings stored. Setup. Don't. That's definitely gonna work. Edit. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Shopify Liquid. Product price money. Please stop removing all my code, man. There we go. Okay. So next I want to allow a schema for a bulleted list. So I need to look up the type of schema that I would need for that. So it would be gonna be number that article, a blog, not collection. Not font picker. HTML, not image picker. Image focal points. Not that. A product list. I guess it's rich text. Yeah, I guess it would be rich text. And I really don't want to use rich text. Shopify Liquid schema settings for bulleted list. Maybe I could just add it as a like as a block, and then loop through it. Have it maybe as text. It wouldn't be selectable. Wouldn't be range, radio. Blocks maybe. Okay, let's try this. Let's do schema. And inside we'll do name. Tag list. Limit it to 1 for now. Values not accepted. Valid values are. Oh. There's a section that's wrapped in no. I don't care. Okay, so settings. So it's type text. Give it that label the bullet points. Okay. We'll do max blocks 3 blocks name bullet settings type text label bullet point. Okay, let's try this. Xblocks is not a valid edge. Oh. Well, block bullet type is required. Oh. I don't think this is inaccurate. Okay. Okay, let's try that and see what happens. There, go to a product. Bulleted list. Add a bullet. No, I don't care about This being just like remove the there has to be a type to it. I don't want to have it as a. You don't have to make it. You don't have to put a thing in it. Huh. Maybe I doesn't matter at all. Just want it as like an empty, like you don't need to put anything here. Hmm. What was this type of bullet? I don't want it to have to, the user to have to put bullets in the in here. Create a product meta field with multi-line text. For example, the meta field name is bullet point. Card product look and quick add Node.js. Yeah, well, let me see how. This would work. If section, what was it? Block dot settings dot title. Okay, I guess maybe I'll just allow adding of a title. So go back in. Why the fuck? Why did curse? Why did this break? No, did it? color changed on it, I think. So whatever, I'll do that after. Okay, so say I want to add a bullet and it's incredible pictures. Nothing got added. I have an empty p tag. Kind of confused, but let's look at the output for blocks. Shopify, Liquid, loop through blocks. Or block in section. I just like get rid of this. And there that is. Okay, so say I set a title, oops, on or bulleted list. Perfect. All right. And then if I save, show up. But then if I say I want to, if it was section title. And okay. So it'll show up now, but if I delete save, okay, the h3 tag is still there. If I quit hide, no text is in it. Equals blank, doesn't equal blank. It's still showing up as an H3 tag. Oh, is it? No, it's not. Okay. So you can see in product bullets, incredible textures, but there's no H3, so then assumedly if I go in, update it, and I say to list, there it is. Cool. Move it, and it's gone. Nice. Excellent. That is how I want it to work. So now the user can input bulleted list, bullet points, and a title. Great. Okay. So don't think I'll work with variants for right now. It's just a bit too much for me right now. The images should stay. So, what's next in this list? It would be the buy now button. So let's do one of these. Go back in product API reference. Don't know. I would add a buy now button. Shopify, Liquid, add purchase. Let's do add to cart. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, didn't think so. So it's a form. I'll just try and find it on Shopify's thing. Cart / and okay, I just want to add it as a just with its ID. So I guess it would be like, just take this. I'll just change this to a section. It's fine. And then at the bottom of the page, it's div cart. And I could try this. I really don't think it's gonna work. Let's see. It got flexed in, right? Okay, here's what I'll do then. Here. And now, if I click add to cart, obviously I don't have a cart page set up, but okay, so it did actually take the value. So 449. Let's just 449-462-1134-0575. But that's not the product ID. Product variants. This in here. I want to look at this, see how this gets. Maybe I should just console log it. Sign product. Variants first. Presumably again as JSON. Let's do like this actually. And it looks like it's working fine. There's only one in here. Yeah, no, it looks fine. All right, sure, I'll just leave it as is then. Okay. So for styling though, I'm gonna want to push this down, this section down. So I just want to see find if so. Second. Display flex column height 100%. Content center. Justify self. Flex end. Display grid. Well, that would help. Kinda, not really. Oh, why it's spacing it out. What is this empty p tag? I don't really understand what this is. It's only one. So where is this coming from? Is it the title? It can't be the title. Could it be? Look at this. Let's save. Is this p tag here still? Yes. Where is this random paragraph tag coming from? What was it that was tag? A section. See if the p tag goes away. It's still there. Where is this coming from? Oops. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this out. Right, great. Okay. There's no p tag now. So it's coming with product description. Is it because there's a space in product description? Why did it kick me out? Oh. Now it's back with an empty p tag. What the hell? That's not it. Having the element on H3 instead of a paragraph. I mean, I'm not gonna do that because it's. Is there a description? No. Other block had the same ID, so it would render one for each. And that can't be it, right? There's no world that's cause fits. If I add in another is this gonna be like this for every product? That's not good. If I save this, this is under default product. But then hopefully if I go back, that's not good. Why is that happening? Okay. Shopify. Changing default product changes all products. I watched this apparently already, but.
What's up, guys? I did a poll recently on my YouTube channel on engraving or on your product page, but maybe you don't need that for all products. So here they've got their beanie. That this is ground, by the way. If you haven't, right, and then down here in the theme template, you choose contact because every theme in Shopify comes by default. So here I am inside the theme customizer, looking at my gift product example, and I have this message field, and it's currently using the default product template. So this message field is on all my products. Now,
Yeah.
it might be used to navigating inside the theme customizer by simply using your navigation and using your site as a customer would, but you should get used to using this drop down as well. So to get to the default product template, you just go to products and then default product. So I'm on the default product template. I've added this field and every product now has it, but that's not what I want. What I want is just for this gift product to have this field. So what I'm going to do is actually duplicate this template.
I see.
Create a new product template on the basis of the default product the template here in products. And remember how I showed you that here we didn't have anything except this one coffee template that I created before? Remember that part. If you haven't applied the new template here, if this is
I don't want to do. Okay, so I will need to do the meta theming. Okay. So let's do that right now. Remove all of that work, which sucks, but whatever. So then what happens then? I'm just so confused because presumably I can now use that bulleted no, I can't use that bullet. Can't even use it in here. Interesting. Okay, how did I mess this up? Oh, I know why. It would need to be its own section. And I really don't feel like doing it. So instead, yeah, we're gonna change that. Shopify meta fields. Alright, let's try this out. So it's here. Oh. Meta fields. It is product bullets. Bullet point. A bulleted feature for this product. List of values. If I save this, that's not it at all. The metafields page. What did I do? Custom something? Custom data? Data object? Ah, okay. This one. Bulleted list. Let's do list. No. Add featured bullet points to product. The values. Save. Okay, so now if I go into products, here, bulleted list. So, incredible textures. Oops. Style. Sure. Save this. This isn't going to work the way I want it to, is it? um... Hmm. What is multi-line text? Okay, let me try this out. So I cut this. Cut this. If my thing would be if if product the meta fields custom bulleted list doesn't equal blank. Multi-line text. Shit. This isn't at all what I want. bullet points, product page, app. So I go to here, I go to the product. I should actually. Save this for. Is that? It's just not centering. Or maybe it is. It might be actually. Yeah, whatever. I go in. App embeds. Bullet. There are bullets, maybe. Not what I'm looking for. Ultimate bullet point. Hmm. I don't think this is what I'm looking for. Um, hmm. And I could add it in. Put it. Meta fields, add meta field namespace bullet point. The key field, enter point one or any other name indicated. Oh, I'm not doing 6 meta fields. Is I want it to. I guess it would need to come from the product. It all has to come from the product selection. So like if I added it to the description here. God, is there actually no list option? So incredible perfection. Moving to perfection. Just your size. Save. Hasn't updated. Why hasn't it updated? Also, it's still creating that extra piece. Now the product description is empty. Is it because this needs to be a div? Okay, well, I guess I just had the tagging wrong. Okay. I'll style it this way. I'd really prefer not to, though. I'm gonna try loading in the meta object. Um, Posted accidentally. Okay, well. Okay, metals and liquid. Yeah, got that. Battlefield definitions inverse, for instance. The meta field's type. The multi-line text field. Product on meta fields. Assign meta field. Product meta field or meta fields? Plural. Reference area meta field is not defined. Oops. This one is not allowed for this object. I feel collection drop is not. I mean, that's not going to work at all, so there's that. Whatever that was. Product. Meta fields. This isn't going to work. Yeah, that's okay. I'll just do this. Meta fields. Meta field collection draw. What is this meta field called? Bulleted list, but what is it called? Product on meta fields, custom. Custom bulleted list. Okay, so maybe I can render this out. Take this, convert this to a div again. That's not gonna work the way I want it to. It's just gonna come in with one, yeah. There. That should work. It's fine. Okay, but it's okay. Well, what if I just do this in I do something like that. Oh, that did work. Okay. Beautiful. No, it didn't, because that's part of the div. Oops. Okay, so it does need to be like this, but the problem is that it's an array. Shopify, meta fields, single line text fields, remove as an array, remove brackets, quotes. Just want the first, I don't want the first value. Because this will not work in the slightest. Yeah, no. And then this will work, but it's splitting it with the... I don't want it first. Metafield text? That do it? Metafield text, maybe? Nothing. Oops. Okay, now it's not showing up at all. Okay, almost. It's not what I want. And it's not showing up. Okay, but it's adding it as... I don't know where it's adding the and in from. It's so close. So it has to be a multi-line. Okay, so... I go ahead and delete this. Bulleted list. Multi-line text. Save. Get rid of this. And this isn't gonna work, I don't think. Oh, it did work, but so I guess now, what if I try the meta field text tag? Not working as a multi-line thing. Probably. Metafield value and product. Metafield's custom metafield multi-line of value. This certainly is not going to work. No. This is this year. This is March of this year. Product page we want to edit. Click on the edit button to edit the product. Probably this is it. Hold down and click add meta field. The namespace field, enter bullet points. Yeah. Oh, is it not updated? No, it is. I'm so confused. theme is he using? Warehouse. Warehouse. Paid for theme. Maybe one of these has. Maybe Dawn has bullet points. They go to product. Does not have bullet points. So I would basically, seems like I would add it as a section. This like, oh, because this is its own. What's that? Never mind. Say I want to add a block E. That ain't it. The Dawn doesn't have the ability to add. Things. That's not. No, that's not at all what I want. Okay, whatever. So it's pretty tough, apparently, to have bulleted lists, which is something you not really expect to be tough. Shopify, Liquid, convert meta field to list. I make a meta field list. So you want to add a meta field value, product, click meta field, depending on how you configure your diff content. Get the content type and check the accept list. Accept a list of values. Let's try this again. It's just this one. It's gonna be the same stuff. um. That broke. And it loads it in the same LI. Don't know why. Like my best option is creating a single list. So non-reference fields can be used in text or rich text sections and blocks. Select product. Scroll down. Save. This is unlikely to work. Oh my god, it worked. Okay. Alright. Well, that's nice. Alright. Beautiful. That's a bit complicated for a regular user. But that's okay. Okay, that's about it for the markup. Okay. I think that's good for a stopping point. I want to upload this stuff to my GitHub. Glint commerce shop. A Shopify theme called and simple commerce startup. This is looking to sell their products. And I'm gonna initialize this as an empty repository. Adding files from origin. Sure, this didn't crash anything. Okay, and it is. All right, that is a good stopping point for that. Okay. Let's play some Breath of the Wild. All right. Steam. I'm a casual when it comes to Breath of the Wild, so you won't see any like speedrunning shit or anything. And I load it through Steam because I have a. It works best with my Pro controller, so. Pull this up. Simu, where are you at? Why are you not showing up? Let me just pull it up here. Let's see my controller right now. Let's unplug and replug. Thing is, I know it'll show up under direct input, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, it like freaks out for some reason on here. Alright, let me just do something. Add, add it to Steam. Will you show up in the list? No. Add selected program. Play. Still not working. Interesting. Okay, why isn't that? Oh. Why isn't the left stick working? Huh. That's not working at all. It's really weird. Okay, that's not. Very strange. Okay, let me pull up Steam's controller setup thing. Okay, my stick is, it's definitely working. Yep, that's the left stick. Brightness is being turned down on the controller. So why isn't it being detected? This is so dumb. Hello? I don't understand. Now, it's just not reading it like at all for some reason. It's not showing up. It's going to show up as controller for Xbox 360. But now I can't bind anything. What is happening with Simu? It's just not detecting my left stick. I'm just gonna go in game and see. Okay, well, it works. Alright. Whatever. This is not my first playthrough. This is my third. First one I did on Switch. Second one I did on. Alright, I don't understand why it's like just flipping between the two. Hopefully it stops that.
Open your eyes. Wake up.
I'm so confused. Why is Simu doing this? He stopped saying I'm using the Pro controller and the gamepad. Is that gonna keep popping up? Oh. My string freeze.
That is a Sheikah slate. Take it.
Why does
It will
look
help
like
guide
it's-
you after your long slumber.
Alright, it definitely froze. Great. How do I fix this? Window capture. Okay. When I captured Simu. Okay, it's not gonna. Hit the screen. Play capture. Okay, we'll see if this works. And if it's at quality. Oh, why is it doing this? And now I can't move the stick. Why is it? This is so dumb. Oh shit.
Hold the Sheikah slate up to the pedestal.
Come on! Why is this
That will show
happening?
you the way.
It's like one. And it froze again. Oh, that's good. Why did it freeze again? I don't know why. Okay, I can't play this. I'm sorry. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. Well, thanks anybody for watching. I don't really think anybody did. But that's okay. No one ever really does. I don't know why it's super glitchy. I don't know why there's so many issues with the gamepad triggering issue, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the Shopify stuff. I'll try and kick back at it again sometime next week before Tears of the Kingdom comes out. I have a pre-order, so I gotta go pick that up on the 12th. But